Hey, this is a quick video. I'm not even on camera. That's how super quick this is. A lot of people have said they're unhappy with Elementor's history. It used to be down here in the bottom left corner. But if you now got the Elementor top bar, it's no longer there. Unless you go to the E and then you click history, it's there. And people have quite rightfully said, why do I have to go and do 2 clicks? I just want to have 1 click. Well, this is how you do it. Go and activate this code snippet. The link is in the video description. Thank you very much. And when I return to my page, and I have gone and messed around with it because obviously we want to see a bit of history. Can you now see we have an icon over here? You click that and the history appears. Obviously, you click it again, nothing's going to happen. You have to go and click something else. That's the same as the normal history button. But you can be doing whatever you want. So let's just go and duplicate a few times. Click the icon and the history is now there. It will be in your top bar with that code snippet. Thank you very much. I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time.